We'll guide you through how to fix the Google Chrome search engine keeps changing to Yahoo. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Chrome, and so you're finding that it keeps changing to the Yahoo search, and perhaps you want to go and keep it on Google, so we're going to guide you through how you can fix this. Make sure this full guide so you're going to know what you can try doing. So to go and get started, if this has just happened, you can go and try changing it back. So to do that, you can go to the top right of Chrome. There you want to go and press the three dots, go down and you can go and press settings. Then in here, you need to go over to the left and go and find the option for search engine. Then you can go and press manage search engines and site search. What you can do is come into search engines, find Google and go to the right and press the three dots and press make default. Now, what you can also do is come over to the left on startup and you can go and select open the new tab page. Now, hopefully when you go and start using Chrome, it's now using Google again and not Yahoo. But if you keep finding that it changes back, let's get in some fixes. So what you need to do, first of all, is go to the top right and press the three dots and go down and press settings. Go over to the bottom left here and press extensions. You may have installed an extension which is causing this, or something else has installed it. So what you can do is go through here. If you see any extensions you don't recognize, what you can do is go and press remove and confirm your decision. I'll do this as an example and go and see if that solves it. If you still find that it doesn't, the next thing you can try doing is going back to your Chrome settings. What's worth doing here is doing a reset for your Chrome settings. Often this can go and resolve the problem. So go over to the left and go down and find reset settings and click there, and you can press restore settings to their defaults. So what you can do is you can go and read this through. So your Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts will be reset, extension disabled, and cookies and other temporary site data is going to be deleted. So you can then go and press reset settings, let that complete, and then hopefully when it resets, it'll be back to Google and it won't go and change again. See if that solves it. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to do is actually come out of Chrome and we can go and check our computer. So what's worth checking is just reviewing any apps you've recently installed, as you may have got an app which is going and changing this. So you can go and press the Windows button at the bottom, open up settings, go to the left and press apps, then press installed apps, wait for this to go and load, and you can go to sort by and select date installed. And you then go and see the apps you've recently installed. So you can just go through here. If there's one you don't recognize or when you did and you suddenly thought, oh, after I installed this, it started changing to Yahoo, go and remove that app, as sometimes apps do go and change the search engine that's used. So go and see if there's anything you find. If there is, you can then go and press the three dots to the right and you can go and uninstall it and remove it from your computer and go and see if that solves it. If it doesn't, there can be some type of malware or virus on your computer causing this. So it's worth doing a scan. So you can press search at the bottom and go and type in Windows security and click here. Wait for this to go and load. And you want to go and press virus and threat protection. Now here you should go and see the option for quick scan, or you can press scan options and do a full scan, which is probably what you want to do. I don't do that as I actually have a different antivirus. I use Bitdefender, so I can go and run that. You may use a different one as well. Otherwise, you can go and use Windows Security. So go and run that there and go and see if that goes and solves the problem, and hopefully it does. After you've done that, you can come back into Chrome and come back and hopefully set the search engine back to Google, and it'll then go and stay. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.